Step 5 and 6 in the extreme presentation method are the tell part of the method, where we need to take all your evidence and turn it into a captivating, engaging presentation. The most common solution is to divide your information into a bunch of bullet points on slides. But if you end up presenting 50 slides with 7 bullet points on each slide, then you're almost guaranteed to numb your audience to the point of no return. Human beings are both rational and emotional creatures, and both faculties have to be engaged if you want to keep their attention. So in step 5, we need to identify brief anecdotes that highlight your most important points. The idea here is to use anecdotes to emphasize the evidence that you have gathered, not replace it. A story is not proof, it's just an illustration. There are 3 types of anecdotes. Ones that directly relate to your organisational issue, something gathered from an employee perhaps. A hypothetical one, something that could happen even though it never did, but it could. A metaphorical approach, which is a symbolic of the point you are trying to make. The key with metaphors is to try and continue the thread throughout the presentation. A very useful reference in helping us structure your anecdotes is Christopher Booker's 7 Basic Plots. In Andrew Bella's book, he has very cleverly translated these plots into a business context. The next challenge is to decide how to sequence all the evidence so that your entire presentation tells a story. It turns out that anecdotes using the 7 basic plots are not helpful here. Fortunately, there is a fundamental principle that underlies all good stories, which we'll uncover in the next step.